Well, good morning and welcome to today's positive video. Legions of Amish come to the help to rebuild North Carolina town. They say it's fun making a difference. For the towns along the Hurricane Helene's path of destruction through North Carolina, rebuilding homes and stores takes quite a bit of time. But thanks to an army of volunteers, rebuilding the sense of community in towns like Chimney Rock and Bat Cave has been done at light speed. Chimney Rock Village was destroyed by Helene's flooding, but every day the town's residents see supplies, people, and building materials coming in from all over the country and know that the future is bright. A special report by WCNC writes that every store on Chimney Rock's once historic Main Street that's being rebuilt is being done with donated materials, and the people putting it all together more often than not come from a legion of Pennsylvania Amish volunteers from the Great Needs Trust. We come out every morning working mostly in Chimney Rock and Bat Cave, says Amos Stolzfus. One such volunteer told WCNC, "We've been cleaning the campground, also insulating a new building, and organizing donated products, paper supplies, and drywalling. In their frocks and bonnets, the women screw panels of drywall into skeletal timbers as deftly and surely as the men in their straw hats. The famous carpentry expertise of the Amish will do the old town well, and maybe even help to add back a bit of the rustic charm lost in the floods. It just fills my heart with joy watching people get their life back again," Stolfut says. Somebody that was completely devastated through the storm, somebody who didn't have anything. It is just so encouraging to see them get back on their feet. That's an amazing story, and people so much, or at least I have thought of the Amish, they keep to themselves and keep to their own little villages and settlements. These Amish in Pennsylvania didn't do that. They packed up and they went down to North Carolina to help their neighbors. Pretty impressive. I'll put the description. There's a video here and everything. You might want to check it out. I'll put it in the description.